ever wondered what an alien would do if he were to land on planet Earth? Wonder no more, because students at the University of Engineering and Technology seem to have the answer, all planned and packaged in the form of planet Earth, which was the highlight of the annual UET Drama Festival in Lahore. The protagonist is a resident of the planet Mercury, which is sent to Earth with the mission to find democracy.
It was like all improvised, like, okay, what can alien do in a world? Okay, let's search for democracy. So then he just messes up in every country and just messes around.
The play's fast-paced script peppered with tongue-in-cheek humor was complemented by the cast of talented students. Through the alien in its journey from one country to another in the quest of democracy, the audience is given a flavor of the cultures and lifestyle of America, the Middle East, China, but it had to end in Pakistan. And despite the play's minimalistic approach and scarcity of props, the globe-trotting alien served as an apt reflection of the contradictions which appear to have become the hallmark of our people.
When you have a concept in mind, an idea, and you are pretty sure of what you are doing, and you have the energy of my team, then you can do anything. The concept can be conveyed fully.
The festival had earlier been delayed due to security concerns and terrorist attacks. But its brave execution made one thing certain, that students remain committed to thwart all attempts to dampen their spirits. Amidst security concerns, the students of UET have surely put up a great show. They believe an artist will always find its way to the heart of the audience, no matter how tough the times are. Hina Saeed, Dawn News, Lahore.